Hey there crafty souls! Welcome back to EYNTK. If you're looking for some DIY inspiration to add a touch of creativity to your life, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing DIY craft projects that will unleash your inner artist. So, grab your crafting supplies and let's get started. Craft 1. Hand-painted plant pots. Let's kick things off with a nature-inspired project. Transform plain plant pots into colorful works of art using acrylic paints. Whether you're into abstract designs or intricate patterns, these hand-painted plant pots will add a vibrant touch to your indoor or outdoor space. Craft 2. Customized tote bags. Up next, we have a fun and functional DIY. Personalize plain tote bags with fabric markers, stencils, or even iron-on patches. Express your style while reducing single-use plastic. It's a win-win. Craft 3. Mason jar lanterns. Looking to create some cozy ambiance? Mason jar lanterns are the answer. Paint or decorate your jars, place a tea light inside, and watch them illuminate your evenings with warmth. Craft 4. Photo collage wall art. Capture your cherished memories in a unique way. Create a photo collage using your favorite snapshots, arranging them into a visually appealing design. This craft is not only sentimental but also visually stunning. Craft 5. Upcycled bookshelf. Time to transform old wooden crates or discarded books into a charming bookshelf. Stack the crates or books creatively, secure them together, and you'll have a stylish storage solution that doubles as an artistic statement. Craft 6. Embroidery hoop art. Get ready to explore the world of embroidery hoop art. With just some fabric, embroidery floss, and a hoop, you can create beautiful, intricate designs that can be hung on your walls or gifted to loved ones. Craft 7. Washi tape decor. Washi tape is a versatile crafting material that can instantly add color and pattern to any surface. Create eye-catching wall art, decorate your laptop, or even give your phone case a trendy makeover. Craft 8. Handmade greeting cards. Spread joy with handmade greeting cards. Use watercolors, markers, or even cutout designs to craft unique cards for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Craft 9. Macrame plant hangers. Embrace the art of macrame by making your own plant hangers. Knotting cords into intricate patterns, you'll create a stylish home for your favorite indoor plants. Craft 10. String art masterpiece. Let's finish strong with string art. Choose a design, hammer nails into a wooden board, and then weave colorful strings to create an impressive piece of wall art that will leave everyone amazed. There you have it, fellow DIY enthusiasts, 10 captivating craft projects that will awaken your creativity and fill your space with unique, handmade treasures. Which project are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found these ideas inspiring. Remember, crafting is all about enjoying the process and expressing yourself. Stay tuned for more crafting adventures right here on EYNTK. Until next time, keep crafting and keep smiling.